What's up, guys, and welcome back. I'm Sean, and this is V-Twin Revolution, your source for all Harley-Davidson information. Check this out. All right, so this is going to be a really quick video. I'm not sure if y'all been keeping track of like celestial events, but here in North Carolina, the sun has been dragging its balls across our land, and it is hot. I go in this shop shed. This is now the sweat box, because the other night when I was working on my motorcycle, like I pretty much was in my church clothes, and then I had to strip down to my underwear and no shirt, and I had flip-flops on, putting my motorcycle back together, and yeah, it is just unbelievably hot. But that is not the video for tonight, me talking about working on a motorcycle in my underwear in the sweat box. I even got tickled at that. Sorry. All right. So again, this is going to be real quick. So, you know, obviously with the last video that I did about my motorcycle, you know, I beat the living tar out of this thing. One of the products that I put on my motorcycle way back when I first got it, was an Evolution Industries billet clutch basket. Now, this is more like a product review, and I just want to give Evolution Industries a huge shout out. I am not sponsored by them. They haven't given me anything. I am still the sole person that is doing all of this. So thank you to me for the sponsorship, because you are doing a great job, Sean. Thank you. But with all that said, we're going to look at my clutch basket, because my clutch plates, they rock back and forth. And while I was looking at the basket itself, I'm not going to say anything else about it. I'm going to let the proof be in the pudding. But Evolution Industries, guys, if you've got any clutch products that baskets, they have eliminator sprockets, billet baskets, clutch packs, and some other things. I'm not fully aware of all what's on their website, but go check them out. They really got some cool stuff, and their stuff lasts, and it's made in America. So let's get in here and we will take this apart. All right, let's go in for a closer look. All right, so check this out. The wear, and I'm not sure, and I always do this, I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not, but there is minimal wear. And I beat the snot out of this motorcycle, and this basket has just completely held up. This is an Evolution Industries, I think it's an EV6. What does that say? Yeah, but it's made in the USA. That's what it's made in. Yeah. Anyways, so guys, if you want any clutch parts, stuff that's going to hold up to the abuse, if you got a high horsepower motorcycle, or, your twin cams, they would under high RPMs, and I will show you this now. Boop. They do shred the clutch baskets. I've had one explode, which is why I went to this billet basket. And just a fantastic company that's making great products, made in the USA. Go out and get them. You won't be disappointed. I'm out. I'm going to finish getting this bike back together, and we'll be riding soon. See you around.